Hello friends, today I will tell how to correct a error which we see sometimes when we are loading the WOS data, that means Web of Science data, into the Bibliometrics software or BiblioShiny software. So let me show you how to deal with the data and from where that problem can arise. There could be a number of reasons from where there could be some discrepancy in data and we have to clean file. But let me show you one common reason of that error. So I'm sharing my screen and I'm going to this WOS, and where I have, created a file on the topic education and artificial intelligence, right? Uh, there I am selecting the page, or maybe you can say you don't select the page, rather, because when you will select the page, it will take just 10 files which are appearing on the page. So what you need to do here, when you are exporting, export to other file format. And then if you take just this thing, author, title, source, abstract, and you will export it and record from 1 to 500, if you will export it, right? So it will go to the downloads. And when I open my BiblioShiny, and you all know the two commands which we need to put in are, let me show it once again. This is library, Bibliometrics, control enter, and BiblioShiny. So you will go to this window, right? So what I will do, let me do it again because I have done it. So it's opening. Now, if I open, import or load the file, import raw file, and plain text, show all files, downloads, you remember this was my file. Now if I attach it and I try to start it, this says replacement has 0 rows, data has 500. Why this error is coming? Because when I exported the data, I have not chosen the whole data. Like Bibliometrics is a software which works on references and citations also. So iska data field complete nahi hai. It doesn't take complete data field. So that's why it is not reading the file. So how we can correct this data? Whenever we are exporting the file, rather than choosing author, title, source, abstract, we need to choose full record and cited references, right? And then export, right? So this time you can see this is save DRECS4 text file. Now, if I go again to Bibliometrics, right? You can see the file was same, keywords were same, but I have changed. I have just changed one option from full cited, like just abstract title, say Alava. I've just taken the other option where full citation was there, right? So I'm going to this file. Now I am attaching the new file which I have just created, this 4, and now I am uploading it. Now the file size has been increased. So you can see it take a little bit of time, and now you can say that file has attached. So this error occurs when you don't choose the right format of exporting. Thank you.